Person A says, "I'm not sure this app is actually useful." Person B replies, "Are you kidding? Everyone's using it." Don't miss out. It's trending everywhere. Better buy it before it's too late. Sounds familiar? That's the bandwagon fallacy, where popularity is mistaken for truth and pressure replaces reasoning. Welcome to Fallacy Busters, where we expose flawed logic, one fallacy at a time. Subscribe to explore life lessons, cultures, and timeless philosophies that shape the way we see the world. Today's spotlight, the bandwagon fallacy. Let's break it down. The bandwagon fallacy is when we assume something is true or good just because many people believe it or do it. But popularity doesn't equal truth. Crowds can be wrong. Trends fade. And following the herd can lead you off a cliff. Let's look at some real-world examples. In fashion, everyone's wearing it. You should too. In tech, everyone's switching to this phone. It must be the best. In politics, all the polls say this candidate is winning. So I'm voting for them too. It's the pressure to conform, the fear of being left out. But popularity not equals logic. A very good example would be the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Investors threw money into internet companies, not because they understood them, but because everyone else was doing it. Tech stocks skyrocketed, hype ruled, and when the bubble burst, billions vanished. The crowd was loud, but wrong. So, why is this a fallacy? Following the crowd feels safe, but truth isn't decided by majority vote. The bandwagon fallacy silences our independent thinking. It replaces curiosity with conformity. How to spot this fallacy in daily life? Look out for phrases like, "Everyone's doing it." "Everyone knows this." Don't be the odd one out. Ask yourself, is there actual evidence or just noise? When you hear it, pause. Try. I'd like to see the facts before I join the crowd. Popular doesn't always mean right. What do I actually believe, apart from the trend? Let's recap. The bandwagon fallacy says, if everyone believes it, it must be true. But crowds can be wrong, and often are. The cure? Independent thinking over blind following. In the next episode, we explore the slippery slope fallacy, where one step is feared to lead to chaos. Subscribe and stay curious, because the more we think clearly, the better we live.